the Mercado Central in San Jose, downtown San Jose. So let's go in and take a little look around. So as we come into the market, you can see that it's pretty chaotic in here. There's vendors everywhere, there's people everywhere. But this is absolutely a place you want to come and check out. There's something for everyone. If you're looking for souvenirs in Costa Rica, this is a great place to shop.
Señor casado, con nietos, hijos, con todo, o sea, un buen matrimonio y todo.
¿Sabes? Dele vuelta a la pizza, ¿para qué es?
The market is not just a place for tourists. Locals shop here on a regular basis. You can swing by and grab some tasty local eats at one of the many restaurants or food stalls here. So we're here in the market. You might not even be able to hear us. It's like crazy loud. But we're gonna have some typical Costa Rican food. We didn't order this, but they brought this to us. It's like a sweet rice pudding, kind of. So we're gonna give that a try. I would tell you that I was apprehensive to try it because I don't really like rice pudding, but this is delicious. Very, like, lots of cinnamon and, like, probably cardamom as well. And they have several butchers as well as fishmongers here.
Es que estos las venden más caras, ¿no?
Everybody's getting cheese today. If you want to know where to get fresh fish in San Jose, you gotta come to the Central Market and see the fishmonger.
¿Qué le damos? ¿Qué le servimos? Buenas.
Así se fue, pero iba.
Le enseñaron ese ¿qué busca que sea que le damos?
Bueno,
¿Qué busca que sea que le damos? ¿Qué le damos?
You can smell the spices.
¿Para qué? Yo estoy haciendo del parque de Juan, quedan 3.
De 8 de la mañana a 7 de la tarde, de las 4 a las 5.
Hay casadito y petar.
Ahí tiene. Ya no va. Acá se millonaria, nadie.
Hey, Juan.
We made it out of the central market. Definitely it's a little bit busier in there because it is Saturday afternoon, so very hustly and bustly, but we have been in the market on like a random Wednesday afternoon and it's still quite busy, but expect it to be a little bit busier on weekends or holidays. The best way to find the central market or how to get into the central market is actually to walk down the very main street, which they call Mercado. It's a pedestrian street. You'll go down there a few blocks depending on which direction you get on the street at, and you'll be able to find like a main entrance there, or where I took you in. But there's also probably about 5 or 6 entrances and exits off the street. That's the like entire city block of the indoor area of the market. You just have to keep your eyes peeled. They're kind of hard to see just because there is so much going on here. But now we'll take you around the outdoor part of the San Jose Central Market. It spans several blocks. There's several pedestrian-only streets, and there's all kinds of stores here. Everything from shopping to clothes, footwear, houseware. There's like fruit stands, there's restaurants, just a really kind of cool, fun area to come and hang out for a little bit. If you want to see more of downtown San Jose, join us next week. We'll take you on a full walking tour. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next amazing adventure.